Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can upload a post with multiple photos on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to upload a post with multiple photos on Instagram, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And once you're on your Instagram, next, I want you to tap this plus button at the bottom of the screen to start setting up your post. And right here, I want you to make sure you're on the post section to confirm that you're setting up a post and not something else like a story or reel on Instagram. And once you're sure that you are on the post section, let me now show you how you can select multiple photos right here. So to do that, it's very simple. You just need to tap this select multiple button right here beside the camera icon. And then there you go guys. You can now select all the photos you want to include to your post. And once you've selected everything, just tap next to proceed. And right here, though this is optional, but you can choose if you want to add a song to your post. Just select any music if you want. And once you're done selecting a music, tap next once again. And after that, you can now add a caption to your post. Just enter whatever you want. Once you're done entering the caption, you can now tap the share button to finally upload your post. And then your post will now start uploading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, there you go guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now uploaded your post with multiple photos on Instagram. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.